In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your money from 1inch wallet to your Cash App. So first you need to do is open up your Cash App and then log in your account. After this, simply click on your balance at the bottom. This will display the amount that you have in your Cash App. So simply click on that. And once you do that, this will show you this window. So from here, simply select this Bitcoin option. And once you do that, from on this screen, you will see the current amount of Bitcoin or the current price of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin you have in your account. So to receive your money in your Cash App, first you need to get your Bitcoin address. So simply you have to click on this transfer icon. You have to scroll and you will see this option, your Bitcoin address. So simply click on that. And once you do that, this will give your Bitcoin address. So from here, simply click on this copy button and your Bitcoin address will be copied. Once you have your Bitcoin from Cash App, open up your 1inch wallet, and after this log in your account and then click on this transfer icon at the bottom. This will display two arrows, so simply click on that. And now from here you have to click on this send button, and once you do that you have to select the Bitcoin from the send button. So simply click on Ethereum and then you can select the Bitcoin from there. And after this you have to enter your amount that you want to transfer from your 1inch wallet to your Cash App right here. And after this, in the to section, you have to paste the address that you have copied from Cash App. And once you do that, all you have to do is just click on this send button at the bottom and your money will be transferred from your 1inch wallet to your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.